Hey guys, welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to switch from an Archero account to another. And to do so, it's very easy, so let's get straight into it. Now, the first thing that you have to do is to go to the Google Play Games app. If you don't have it, go to the Play Store and download the app and open it. Now, once you are in the app, just go to the profile section in the bottom right, and then go to the three dots in the top right corner. Click on them and you will see the settings option appear. Click on settings, and then here you will see this page basically. So you'll have to scroll down a bit until you see your data section and change account for games as it is highlighted right now on the screen. So it is highlighted right here, change account for games under your data. Click on it, and here you will find your page where you can change the account that you're playing with on different games. So you can either change your account for all the games, or you can change every game. It has its own account. So here I will choose Archero, for example. So go to change the account by game and choose Archero and click on change. Next, you will have this option to select an option for the game. So either use your first email or your second one, or whatever account you have connected on the Google Play Games app. And then you have to click on ask each time or sign out or just use it forever. And then that's it. Once you click on it, it will be saved and you will be able to switch from an Archero account to another. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.